Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ke Jela ubak Pol Lyngdoh, ulaong baga Chairperson ke Women Commission kampat biang banbat yakakam badai na kene kadaw laweng no yaka. Habakren haka hanyo tarik jelio ahraja arpaulai ubak Pol Lyngdoh ulaong baga kong pidalia toy nalor baka don keti haka MLA election ahraja arpaulai kam jupoi ru syaka jingyalang jong ke commission haduk sausien namar bakat kum ke kendon kam dai ban pep jingyalang laisien. Ulaong baka sorkar kanwat da Kawei bat kan kham husiar ban syuthung yakibreu namar bakane ka syuki kadai kebadan ka ikhtiar kariti sensyar kari.
No. I have studied the file. The person concerned, it is not only about her being involved in an election campaign, but according to the rules, she is supposed to attend at least 3 meetings of the board, and she has abstained from 4 meetings, and therefore she does not qualify to be chairperson any longer. Be very careful about the selection of the new incumbent, because from that experience, we need to ensure that we have people who can give a lot of attention. Women Commission is a very important constitutional body, and you only have to have people who have the drive, the interest in that office, because there is so much that the commission is entrusted with.
It's a fit of
The other members will continue until the end of the tenure, but the new chairperson will have to be appointed. That is a subject that I will also have to take up with the Chief Minister, since this is a very vital body.